Hi, this is Rena from thecheesethief.com, and today I'm going to show you how to just do some fun marbling with paper. This one is that one that I actually started with, and I wanted to look like Carrera marble because I wanted faux Carrera marble for some countertops that I was making for a dollhouse. I'll show you the picture of the dollhouse. And these were just fun ones. It was actually really fun to make, so then I just started doing like a galaxy, like a darker one, and then this is just like a rainbow one. You can kind of use them for bookmarks or maybe write a little note with them. So let's get started on this tutorial. First, you're gonna start off with some paper and some water. So this is just water, and this is my paper, and I'm just gonna soak my paper in water. It doesn't have to be completely soaked, and this is like more like cardstock. So it is a heavier paper than just like regular printer paper. And now I'm gonna take a sheet of plastic that I have here. And you can use a Ziploc bag if you want. And you're gonna pick the colors that you want. So for the galaxy one, I'm just gonna do purple. And if you wanted to do the marble one is actually just gray. Just gray. You can use gray and black or just gray. And then put a little red. Now, once you have everything colored, you're just gonna take a water bottle, and this is just water, and you're gonna spray it. Like that. And you're gonna take your wet paper. So I'm gonna take my wet paper, and then I'm just gonna place it down. And it's okay, see it'll seep through, which is fine. You're gonna get both sides of it. And then you're gonna pick it up. And then you're gonna have this. And it actually turns out darker than how it dries, but then you can kind of like twist your paper back and forth to meld the colors together. You see how the colors kind of seep together, and it makes it a really cool pattern when they kind of seep. And then you're just gonna let it dry. So it's semi-dry now, and that's how it looks. I actually put it under an iron, so you can iron it if the paper starts curling too much. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please visit me at thecheesethief.com for more tutorials like this. Be sure to check out my other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and bye now.